Maxim 34. When a sage comes in contact with fools, he must not expect to be honored. And if an ignorant man overcomes a sage in a oratorical contest, it is no wonder, because even a stone breaks a jewel. What wonder is there that the song of a nightingale ceases when imprisoned the crow? Or that a virtuous man under the tyranny of vagabonds feels affliction in his heart and is berate? Although a base stone may break a golden vase, the price of the stone is not enhanced, nor of the gold lost. Now, see, it isn't whether somebody's upset or doesn't like the condition or is opposed to what's going on. You know, so it's not as simple as that. But you don't start things, oh, I'm going to debate to show my prowess or whatever, or I'm going to show off in here. Well, you can't always win. So why are you just competing in worldly things just to compete in worldly things?